Welcome to my channel Zphisher. So in this video I'm going to explain about an tool. By using this tool we can create an fake websites. Like we can create an login page which look like an original one. And by using this tool we can also create an login pages. By creating a login pages we can also steal someone credentials. So I'm going to run the install that tool in Kali virtual machine. So it is not a so dangerous tool. So but I will perform this tool only on Kali. So I am going to run this Kali. So my OS is on Windows. So I am using VirtualBox. In this VirtualBox, I am installing that tool. The tool name is Zphisher. So we need to run that Zphisher, install that Zphisher in this Kali Linux to create an fake page by using that Zphisher tool. So I will show you the clearly step by step. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. So it is starting Kali Linux. We need to use the VirtualBox to use that such tools because if something is happen, so we can destroy the virtual box or virtual machine. So if we use that tools on main OS, the OS may be infected with the malicious software. So for that problems we need to change the OS. So instead of running the tools on main OS, we need to run it on the Kali. So here I got the login page. I'm trying to log in. So if you want to try some tools, just try it on the VirtualBox. So we can destroy VirtualBox easily instead of running that tools on the main OS. So that is my suggestion. So to run this Zphisher tool, first we need to open the browser, Firefox or Chrome. So I am opening the Firefox browser. Now just search for Zphisher in the web, in the browser. I'm searching for the Zphisher tool. Yes, it is a phishing tool. So we are creating a phishing websites. So it is look like a legitimate, but we are creating an non-legitimate websites. So we need to install that Zphisher first in our OS. So for that we need to install this tool in terminal. So first we need to open the terminal and just copy the first link. This link, we need to copy this link and paste it here. So paste the selection. Yeah, I copied that link here. So I'm pressing enter. So it is installing on my desktop. You can see here and folder. So it will take some time to install all particular files in this folder. So they given step-by-step process in their website. So first we need to enter go to the folder. So we need to go to inside of the folder. So for that we need to use cd Zphisher and enter. So we are in that Zphisher. We can see here we are in that Zphisher folder. So now we need to run the command bash zphisher.sh. So this command is to run Zphisher tool bash zphisher.sh. So it is installing the required components is installing the packages what are the required for this fake website, creation of that fake website. So they also given the things for Termux also, installation process for Termux. So this is for Linux. So I am trying it on the Linux, so Kali Linux. So these are the steps we need to follow for the Linux. So it will take some time to install these all packages. After installation of these packages, it automatically displays some pages. So it is installing. To completion of the installation, it will display the different kind of social media platforms. It will display the social media platforms. So we need to select which platform login page we want. After installing, I will show you that. So the Zphisher is installed successfully and run successfully in my terminal. So these are the websites. We can create the fake websites by using this Zphisher. So we can create a Facebook login page, Instagram login page, Google, Microsoft, anything. We can create any such platform login pages, fake websites by using this Zphisher tool. So for that, first we need to select an option here. So I'm trying to select an Instagram option. So for that, press 2. So I need to type 2 here. So here I selected the second option. So I am trying to create an Instagram login page, which is a fake login page, but it look like an legitimate login page. So I selected the second option and press enter. So it will ask for different pages. So if we see here, it will give a showing that if you want a login page, please select option 1. So if you want an auto followers login page, select 2. If you want 1000 followers login page, select 3. If you want a blue badge verification login page, press option 4. So I want a traditional login page. I am selecting the option 1. So 01, I press enter. So it will display the 3 options like localhost, Cloudflare, and local scope. So this option 1, localhost, is only for your local computer. If you select an localhost option 1, it will generate the link, and that is only valid for your system only. So you can not share that link to anyone, or if you can share that, but it will not open. It will only open in your local host. So that is the option 1. And if you select this option 2, it will generate and links. By using that links, others may also other people may also open that link, and they will also get the fake login pages. So better to use option 2 if you want to try this on your friends. Is only for funny way. Don't do any silly things. So just press select option 2. So I selected option 2. So if you want an custom port, just press yes. And so for yes, just you need to enter Y only. So if you want a custom port, just enter yes, and give your custom port. So I don't need any custom port, so I'm selecting N. So it will automatically take 8080 code. So it is launching the Cloudflare. So option 2 is Cloudflare. So it will also ask for the if you want a mask link or not. Mask link means by your own you need to generate that link, or else if you select no, this Zphisher will automatically generate you and create your link. So I'm selecting no. So it will take some time to generate and to create and links. So it will display the link after completion. So we can copy that link and share to anyone. So like you can tease your friends by sharing that link, and you can also store their credentials. I will show how to store the credentials. So now it will generate the links. So we need to wait for some time. So just wait. This video only is for education purpose only. So don't misuse these things. It is only for education purpose. Practice to try, learn more, and only use it for yourself. So I got the links. So here we need to use the link 1. So here they given the link and they generated the link in a way that it looked like some suspicious, like forecasts, toys, periods, cognitive. So Cloudflare. So you can generate your own. If I click on this link, I will get an Instagram login page. see here, Instagram login page. It look like an original one. If I give an email or phone number here, suppose I am giving an mail like rahul@gmail.com and password. So I am clicking on login. So now what will happen means it will straightly take us to the original Instagram page. But they already given the credential. This is the original website. So previously it is an fake website. In that fake website they type their mail ID and password. That credentials will be displayed here, and after that login it will straightly take us to the original Instagram page. So people may think that it may some network issue, so they will type again here that email ID and password. Now this time they'll successfully log into their Instagram, but actually we get their credentials. By using these credentials we may log into their Instagram. So this is a completely an education purpose only. In this way the attackers may create the fake websites. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video to your friends.